Hey, my name is Michelle Khare, and this is everything I eat in a day. It's a lot. So on my channel, I have a series called Challenge Accepted, and in each episode, I explore a different community, lifestyle, or profession, whether it's training with the US Marine Corps or experiencing what it's like to be an Olympic figure skater. So my daily routine and what I eat in a day tend to vary a lot, but here are the basics pretty much. The first thing that I do when I wake up is immediately hug Garrett. He's my fiance. And after that, of course, like everybody else, I'm already sweating thinking about how embarrassing this is. I grab my phone and check every social media because surprise, I'm a millennial. That's what we do, I guess. After some time passes, I usually get up, and for breakfast, the first thing that I have is a big glass of water. And I also love overnight oats. And if you're like me, conceptually, overnight oats, I want to do as little work as possible. So I love Mush overnight oats. It's this brand that I actually found on Shark Tank, actually. Thank you, Mark Cuban, I guess. And if I'm feeling really hungry and frisky, I'll have a smoothie with that as well. I love the Urban Remedy strawberry smoothies. They're super good. Because of how active I have to be in the challenges I'm doing, a lot of people ask me if I drink caffeine. I don't, but if I'm about to go into a really big day on set or training, I will have a big cup of caffeinated tea, and I find that this deprivation technique becomes very effective when I do need the caffeine. So usually after I have breakfast, I'll do a little bit of work, and then we'll head on over to the gym or an outdoor workout. I love getting in a good sweat and then coming home and getting hungry and ready for lunch. Do I get hangry? Garrett's smiling behind camera right now and I'm not liking it. But yes, I plead guilty, I get hangry, I need food. So after I work out, I have a vegan protein shake. I love the Orgain brand, not sponsored guys, it's just really that good. Also comes in these pre-made little cartons that are really great on the go. So for lunch, I usually like to do kind of a big salad mix of a variety of different things. It always includes a protein of some kind, whether it is a grilled chicken or grilled fish. I hate the term leafy greens. What does that even mean? I don't want to think about leaves when I'm eating lunch, but sure, leafy greens, like a kale or arugula. My favorite leafy green is spinach, actually. So I'll do some spinach with a little bit of miso ginger dressing, get a little bit of that spice in there. Also, I am a huge fan of mushrooms. I am obsessed with mushrooms. I put them on everything. Anytime I eat out, I always ask for mushrooms to be added to my dish. I am also a very pro-carb person, so I'll usually have a slice of bread or a bit of rice. In the past, when I've tried depleting carbs for my diet, it doesn't work out for me. I'm still really hungry. So I just love eating everything. I'm a very hungry person. You don't like the tortilla. I don't know what to tell you. You don't eat the tortilla from Mendocino Farm, so I'm not gonna let it go to waste. Okay, what's next? Around the middle of the afternoon, I'll usually have another snack of some kind, whether it's a handful of almonds or maybe a protein bar, or I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Sometimes I just have a chocolate bar. I feel like there are a lot of health and fitness influencers who put on this very pristine image of who they are and what they eat. But girl, sometimes we just gotta have a chocolate bar in the afternoon on a Tuesday for no reason. So then for dinner, by the time I get to the end of the day, I'm very exhausted. We got a great workout in. Your girl sent some well-crafted emails. We wheeled and dealed. We got through the day. It's time to eat. So Garrett and I, again, because we're limited in our expertise in the kitchen, love making homemade chicken tacos. Let me tell you guys, this recipe, it's so good. It's from Nordstrom's Flavors Cookbook. But basically, we take this white meat, ground chicken, and we cook it up with some garlic, cilantro, and Garrett makes this amazing homemade cilantro lime vinaigrette. It's really fun. We feel really professional and chef-like, even though it's probably one of 2 recipes we actually know how to do, because besides that, we just do Home Chef and Postmates. It's quarantine, guys. What else are we gonna do? Some of our favorite places to Postmates from include Sweet Green, Mendocino Farms, and also something that we've loved doing is choosing restaurants off the Black-owned restaurants tab of Postmates. It's been a really awesome and honestly very simple and straightforward way to give back to the community. So here is huge confession embarrassment time. I am Indian, and I think a lot of Indian people, especially in my family, pride themselves on being able to handle that Asian level of spiciness. I cannot. One time I had the opportunity to try the spiciest pepper in the world, and it was the worst experience of my life, and I'm never doing it again. I like everything just mild. Cheat meal. I'm all about it, guys. So recently we were celebrating the launch of my new show, Karma, on HBO Max, and it was so much fun, and to celebrate, I went all out. We got lobster pasta, we got cacciatore pasta, I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, I love pasta. We got 7 different kinds of pasta, guacamole chips, homemade cookies, and a brownie. So I'm kind of an all or nothing type person, and anytime I have an indulgence meal, it's always pasta. And that is everything I eat in a day. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out Karma on HBO Max.